How to use ChatGPT on your phone. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. As you can see here, I am already on my phone. I have a Samsung, but if you have an iPhone, you have to follow the same steps. It doesn't matter if your phone has a Android or iOS. So if you want to use ChatGPT for your school, or if you want to make money online from your phone, just go to Google and then type in ChatGPT, then go to openai.com. From here you have to click on Try ChatGPT. You will get to this page. Then you can either add your email address, create an account, or just continue with Google. Choose your email, type in your name, and then click on continue. Then you have to add your phone number. Then you have to enter your code that was sent to you. Wait for it to load. Click on next. And click again next. And done. You may have some problems with ChatGPT right now because they are experiencing some exceptionally high demand, so we will have to wait a little bit for them to work. And now you can go ahead and use GPT Chat. If you want to write an article about smartphones or laptops or any other subject, you can use ChatGPT just like this. Like top 3 smartphones in the world. Click enter. And here you have your answer. They are limited to events that happened till late 2021, so their information are not exact. Here we have proof with iPhone 12 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which was released in 2021.